Imagine owning a cryptocurrency that could not only secure your financial future, but also revolutionize the digital world as we know it. In this video, I'll break down why 35,000 HBAR, the native token of Hedera, might just be the key to unlocking financial freedom, and how this groundbreaking technology could be your ticket to a worry-free life. At the time of recording, HBAR is trading at about $0.054 per coin, with a market cap of around $1.9 billion, which is quite small, but is expected to increase as time goes on. This is more like a decline from about 7 cents, at which it traded sometime in the past month, suggesting the volatility of the crypto market taking its toll on it. To buy 35,000 HBAR at this price, you will need over $1,800. Looking at its performance in the past years, sometime between 2021 and the first half of 2022 was the shining period for HBAR, when it experienced a remarkable resurgence from its all-time low price mark at 1 cent. At the time in 2021, HBAR ascended to about 30 cents, which marked over 10x growth in the third month of 2021, which spelled a good time for investors holding on to the token at that time. It then continued to increase until it reached its all-time high, which was recorded to be about 57 cents, which definitely means that 35,000 HBAR would have been a little less than $20,000. But when 2022 came in, there began a major market downturn that dealt a great blow to the whole crypto ecosystem, and all coins gradually crashed down, including major coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. As they began to crash, other coins began to follow suit. We could say this was one of the reasons HBAR lost its footing, as it remained in the ditch for quite a while. However, 2024 seems to be a good time for HBAR. With the remarkable efforts of its team to further promote its credibility and improve its performance in the crypto space, it showed quite a great move in the past few months, where it increased, although fluctuating, to a market price of about 11 cents before finding its way to its immediate market price. This move quite pronounces the potential of HBAR to grow significantly before the end of 2024, and by then we could probably see 50 cents, which represents a 10x growth from its current market price, or a standard $1. This tells us that the price of HBAR dumping at this point makes its current market price an excellent point of entry for you. So if the predictions hold true, your 35,000 HBAR portfolio will be worth around $17,500 and $35,000 respectively. However, that is just a basic level forecast based on the increasing adoptions of the token, factored by HBAR's continual development, aimed at improving its relevance and credibility in the crypto space. When the incoming bull run kicks in, we could see HBAR trading between $3 and $5. With these prices, your portfolio will be worth a range between $105,000 and $175,000. While these are looking good on a short-term basis, you stand the chance to earn an even larger profit when you invest in HBAR on a long-term basis. If you guys want to trade HBAR and many other cryptocurrencies, I've partnered up with BloFin, a non-KYC crypto exchange. And if you sign up using my link below, you have a chance of getting up to $5,000 in bonuses. It has quite been evident that people are being very cautious about buying into HBAR at some point to prevent loss in case things don't go as expected. However, despite the outlook of HBAR in the crypto market, futures traders on major exchanges have made quite a great deal of profit just by buying a certain amount of HBAR when it dips and taking profits by selling it when it increases. This way, you get to gradually build your portfolio by simply buying at low prices and selling at high prices for profits at the right time. However, you can hold on to your HBAR coins until the expected bull run between 2024 and 2025 kicks in for a chance to get greater amounts of profit. As you know, Hedera Hashgraph is a public distributed ledger recognized as a faster, more secure alternative to traditional blockchain technology. Unlike blockchains, which operate on linear chains of blocks, Hedera uses a unique data structure called a directed acyclic graph, or hash graph. It allows users to agree on the order in which transactions should be performed. However, Hedera is not exactly a blockchain. It has its own distinctiveness and works differently. With Hashgraph, all transaction branches are merged, no block equivalent is thrown away, and each is used to reach a consensus. This design allows Hedera to process transactions at unprecedented speeds with minimal energy consumption compared to most other networks. Unlike most other cryptocurrency platforms, Hedera Hashgraph isn't built on top of a conventional blockchain. Instead, it introduces a completely novel type of distributed ledger technology known as a hash graph. One of the primary reasons HBAR is positioned for significant growth is its technology, the hash graph consensus algorithm. which allows Hedera to process transactions at lightning speeds, with finality achieved in just a few seconds, making it an attractive option for enterprises and developers looking to build decentralized applications that require high throughput and low latency. Hedera's energy efficiency is another major selling point. In an era where environmental concerns are becoming increasingly important, Hedera's ability to process thousands of transactions per second using minimal energy gives it a competitive edge over other blockchains. The growing list of enterprises using Hedera is another indicator of its potential. Companies like Google, IBM, and LG are not only governing the network, but are also exploring ways to integrate Hedera into their operations. As more companies join the network, the demand for HBAR is likely to increase, driving up its price. HBAR also benefits from its strong community and developer support. The Hedera ecosystem is growing rapidly, with more developers building on the platform and creating innovative applications. This growing ecosystem increases the utility of HBAR and makes it an integral part of the network. Several developments made on the Hedera network that could power HBAR to perform well when the bull run comes between 2024 and 2025 include the launch of the Hedera token service, which allows anyone to issue and manage tokens on the Hedera network and made it easier for developers to create new assets and integrate them into their applications. And the integration of Hedera with various decentralized finance platforms, which has opened up new use cases for HBAR, including lending, borrowing, and trading on decentralized exchanges. The expansion into DeFi is a crucial step in increasing the utility of HBAR and driving demand for the token. Also, in addition to the long-standing partnerships with some of the world's largest companies, like Google, IBM, Boeing, and Deutsche Telekom, helping to drive its adoption, Hedera has formed new alliances in recent years. One of the most notable is with ServiceNow, a cloud computing platform that provides enterprise solutions. This partnership is aimed at integrating Hedera's technology into ServiceNow's platform, potentially bringing Hedera to thousands of new users. Another new partnership is with Chainlink, a decentralized Oracle network that allows Hedera developers to access real-world data for their decentralized applications, which is crucial for building more complex and valuable use cases. The integration of Chainlink oracles has enhanced the functionality of Hedera-based applications, especially in the realms of decentralized finance and smart contracts. Hedera has been making headlines for its continued progress and adoption. A while ago, the Hedera network crossed a significant milestone by processing over 1.5 billion transactions. This achievement highlights the network's scalability and its growing use in real-world applications. Another news story that caught attention was the announcement that Hedera will be used by the U.S. State Department to help track and manage carbon emissions. This partnership underscores the real-world impact of Hedera's technology and its potential to be used in critical global initiatives. With all these, and as more companies begin to partner with Hedera in the near future, further boosting its relevance, significance, and credibility in the cryptocurrency ecosystem, while also significantly driving HBAR's widespread adoption. If all these play out while also banking on the magic of the bull run, just as it was in the past, we could probably see HBAR trading at a range of $10 to $30, and that would make your 35,000 HBAR tokens worth around $350,000 to over $1 million at these prices. While this may sound cool, this is only mere speculations. Remember to not take this video as financial advice. Always do thorough research before investing your money in any coin.